Welcome to Cybers for K through 12. The concept of this course is ready for your new world. We provide free, safe, and secure videos. First, let me introduce you to the Autonomous Driving Technology course. Lucas will be teaching the Autonomous Driving Technology course. Hello, Lucas.
Hello everyone. I'm Lucas. I am looking forward to learning autonomous driving technology basics with you. Please let me know your ideas and dreams, such as how you want to make the world more convenient in the future through autonomous driving technology. Then, let's share your dreams with friends around the world who will learn together.
Thank you, Lucas. Autonomous driving technology videos are available on YouTube. Have fun learning the basics of autonomous driving technology with Lucas.